Hello, my name is Dr. Phil, and this Tuesday I want to show you how to unsubscribe to emails. Enjoy your coffee and sit back and relax. The network cable. Internet slow. A VPN connect. There's no hope. My name is Dr. Phil, and this is your Tech Tip Tuesday. The process to unsubscribe from emails is quite simple, and it's a great way if you want to clean up your inbox and you don't want all those pesky emails from Kohl's and Nike and, some random store or location. This is a great way to learn how to unsubscribe from these pesky emails. So again, like I said, the process is quite simple. I'm going to show you on the PC first, and then I'll also show you on the Mac. So, for the PC, here's what you need to do. Alright, so you've started out, you've logged into your email, and you're taking a look, and ooh, I've got an email from O&H Bakery. Kringle. But you know what? I don't actually want any Kringle anymore, and I don't want to receive any of these emails. So, on Google Chrome, and as is standard in every email that is like a marketing email, they're required to put an unsubscribe button, and it's usually hidden in a small location so you don't actually notice it. But right here, it's right there. And then also in Google email, at least in Gmail, you have an unsubscribe right next to the marketing email that you've got right there. So you just click here to unsubscribe, and it'll usually take you through some process. I will say, yes, this email, I want to unsubscribe from all O&H emails, and it will say you successfully unsubscribed. Now, to note, if they've got a marketing schedule where they send out multiple emails per day, it may not be processed right away, but after I'd give it 24, 48 hours, you should be good to go. And the same type of parameters apply in Outlook as well. So you go to Outlook, I've got Malwarebytes, okay, and I want to no longer receive their emails. I scroll down here, again, I hit unsubscribe. It's hidden, but thank you, you've been unsubscribed from this publication. If you wish to unsubscribe from all publications, yes, I do. You've been unsubscribed from all publications from Malwarebytes. So that's how you do it on a PC. Process is quite similar on a Mac. So on a Mac, you go here, cool, I've got this cool marketing email from a Kickstarter campaign I sponsored, but I no longer want to receive their emails anymore. It's hidden in Apple Mail. I mean, just in mail in general, it's still hidden by their marketing emails, and it's in neon colors to make it even more hard to notice. So I hit unsubscribe, it will take me to a web page. I say yes, I want to unsubscribe from these emails. You've been unsubscribed. And then you just close out. And again, like I said, it takes within 24 to 48 hours for it to completely remove you from the list. So don't be surprised if you get an email from that same source within that 24 to 48 hour parameter. But there you go. And that is how you would unsubscribe successfully from emails that you've received. My name is Dr. Phil, and I hope you have found a great way to clean up your mailbox. Tune in next week.